it's St. Patrick's Day. We're here at the HVAC Excellence Show in Las Vegas. So there's a lot of folks here presenting on a lot of great topics. We're going to see a lot of new equipment, parts and pieces, and so we're going to be bringing that all to you in this series. All right, we're here at the HVAC Excellence Education Conference with our good friend Mr. Jeff Bledsoe, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about some of the latest, greatest stuff that Daikin has going on.
Yeah, the one thing we're excited about is turning into all of our equipment into R32 units. We've done a majority of our residential units already. Our VRV is going to be transitioning over to R32 beginning of next year. As it progresses, we're going to get everything switched over to R32. But one of the exciting things coming this year is our Altherma unit. We're reintroducing that here into the U.S., and it is a water-to-air heat pump. So your refrigeration system stays outside, then you turn into hydronics on the inside. So you're heating and cooling with water, and you can also do domestic hot water. And I think the temperatures are capable of getting up 190 degrees, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you get into the other realm in commercial, we're doing a Mega Q unit, which we can provide domestic hot water for high-rise buildings and commercial applications. We're using an R410 condenser mixed with an R134A cascade system and provide hot water to buildings. And especially for the electrification, this stuff fits in there huge. So.
Awesome. So when will those be coming out?
Those are out now. The production is sort of slow on those, but we've got one working already in our lab in Lynbrook, New York. Okay. And we're introducing more of them into Canada as well.
Awesome. And then the hot water piece that you were just speaking about, what's the timeline looking for that?
The Altherma unit, I believe, is going to be released by like late summer. Okay. We've already got one installed in Houston. And the cool thing for me, handling the educational partnership program across the country, we're going to start putting it in schools so the kids, the students, I don't want to say kids because some of them aren't kids anymore, the students can come out already understanding that when they hit the marketplace to make themselves more valuable to contractors they may be going to work for.
Excellent. All right. Well, we're excited to see it all.
I'm awesome. I'm glad you guys are here.
Thank you. Hey, now we're over here with our friends at Bosch. We got our good friend Chris Penn here. Chris, how's it going at the trade show?
The trade show's going great. We've been a big hit. There's been a lot of traffic here at our booth. We've got the live fire cart in the background.
I saw that.
So that always helps. So it's attracted a lot of people.
Awesome. What are the latest, greatest things you guys are excited about? Anything new up and coming, getting ready to drop?
Well, we've got the A2L transition. So we've converted all of our product from 410A over to R454B. So, you know, between the product lineup, the IDS Lite, the IDS Plus, and the IDS Premium. Yeah. So we got the new ATL sensor that went into that. Okay. We did some changes to the circuit board to accommodate that. Gotcha. To basically the mitigation if we did have a leak. So the indoor board, outdoor board had a few changes. Yeah. Kind of made them enhanced dehumidification on a couple of models with some communication wire. Oh, excellent. But the biggest thing has been the IDS Ultra. That is, we were one of 7 manufacturers to join the Cold Climate Challenge. Okay. And first to market with that product. It's been out since about the 1st of October. Oh, okay. 100% capacity at 5 degrees. Wow. So we're talking, impressive. We opened up with the 5-ton model. Yeah. Went to market with the 5-ton model in the beginning, right? And so 60,000 BTU, you know, 100%, 60,000 BTUs at 5 degrees. Oh. People are going to like that when it gets cold out. Absolutely. I mean, that product also will run down to -13. Wow. At 70% capacity. So before switching over then. Exactly. Wow. Exactly. I mean, after about 5, we'll probably need to switch over at that point. You know, it just kind of depends. But so that's been the biggest excitement has been that Ultra. And with that product, we added some controls. It's called in order to get that technology, we're using enhanced vapor injection. Which is a refrigeration process to help boost compressor ratio and increase capacity. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. It's the first time I've heard about that this week. What else? Anything else up and coming that you guys are looking forward to either here in 2025 or into next year that you can talk about? Another product that we're really excited about is the new hybrid heat pump water heater. Oh, yeah. That's getting I am hearing a lot about that this week. Yeah. So we take heat pump technology. I say hybrid because we can do electric and we can do, you know, a heat pump version. So take that heat pump technology that we're used to with the IDS product as as far as moving refrigerant from this area or heat from this area to that area.
Yeah.
We're able to do that with a water heater as well. So
Okay. When will those be on the market?
those are already on the market currently.
Oh, okay.
Those are on the market currently.
Have you had, what type of reaction have you had to those? Are people pretty open to them?
Very, very open.
Yeah.
I mean, our first batch, from what I understand, sold through, quite rapidly. Working on a second batch, if you will. And outside of that, basically the whole product lineup, we're in the process of switching over to the new refrigerant.
Okay.
That's been the biggest thing.
Gotcha.
Is the 454B transition. So our water source heat pumps have been through the conversion. We got a couple more products. Our package unit's still going through that conversion. So we still got a little bit of time. We got till the end of the year to
a few more months, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like you guys are busy. We're going to get out of your hair because I can hear the people rolling in. But it was great to take a minute and hang out with you.
I appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Aaron.
All right, now we're here with Dirk from HVAC Simulator. Dirk, how's your show going so far?
It's been an amazing show so far. Yeah, so we have about 150 people at the booth already that came through.
Already?
Already.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a pretty good number. It's a little noisy in here because everybody's doing lunch, but we wanted to stop by. You got some really neat boards here we've talked a little bit about, and you've got some VR, some simulation going on. Can you kind of walk us through all your products?
Yeah, so our flagship product is the what we call the CBTS. It represents a Carrier, Bryant, Tempstar, Heil, Comfort Maker, all of the Carrier Corporation products. But every board here is designed to teach a sequence of operation, schematic reading, potential difference, and then learning the diagnostic process. All of the fundamentals.
Sure.
So we have this one, it's air conditioner furnace, and then we have the White Rogers Universal board, and then our latest and greatest is the heat pump simulator.
Oh, okay. Yeah, these are really neat. You got to demo them to us yesterday and show us. What is your most common application? Like, who's your most common customer for these? Obviously, it's an education training, but overall.
That is correct. So around 75% is education, and about 20% is our prisons, and then 5% are contractors.
Gotcha.
So, but it's live voltage, and it's described as a game of operation. Is what.
That's kind of what I was thinking when I first saw them. Yeah.
You don't get buzzed, you don't get zapped or anything, but it is live voltage, so you can get zapped. But all it is that you're inserting probes into these test points, and it will actually show you live voltage. So and then the heat pump simulator is 220 volts.
Okay.
So it's a 120 volt plug-in, and then the newest model on this one is the 120. We originally released it with 120 volts only. So but it's been a great product.
Then you've got another piece over here we were walking through yesterday. Can you kind of tell us about it?
Yeah. So it all. Let me get a book here.
Sure.
It all started with the 3D is because we're 5 years into this business, and I really didn't know about copyright infringements, but I thought you could just go to the internet and pull any image off and put it in your book.
Gotcha.
That is a huge no-no. So how am I going to get these images in the books? So I started doing some 3D modeling, and that has manifested into what's called Visual 3D.
Okay.
And Visual 3D is we're trying to increase mechanical aptitude through the digital world. It is my belief that if you know how the internal workings of a part works, then you have a better chance of diagnosing it.
Sure.
Now, do you need to know the inner workings of the switch to see whether it's open to be a good technician? No. But we have some really, really awesome videos here, the animations on how it works and how to service. So it's just a tool for a student to leave with and to continue their education on their own time.
Very cool. If people are interested in your products, where can they find you?
HVACsimulator.com.
All right. Well, thanks for letting us stop by and hang out for a little bit. We appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Now we're here with Joey with iConnect Training. Joey, you got some really cool toys here we're interested in learning all about.
Absolutely.
Can you tell us about this one?
Yeah. So this is an airflow motor trainer all in one. We have a constant CFM motor here. We have a PAC motor and a constant constant torque. 3 different boards in the air handler so you can hot swap them out.
Okay.
So that you can create a restriction, show how each motor reacts differently to the same restriction. So now you can show a constant CFM will ramp up on its amperage, turn it off, slide into PSC, and it's lower. And now the students can see that each motor changes differently and help them troubleshoot. We also have electric heat in here, so you can do electric heat rise.
Gotcha.
And they can teach them how to read blower table charts, which nobody knows how to read these things, right? True static pressure drop as well.
This whole thing comes as we see it?
Everything you see comes with it. All the instruments, the tablet, the TV, all the motors, ready to go on a cart, rolling down the road.
Very cool. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
And then tell me about this guy over here.
Yeah, so this is an electrical trainer. We have many, many modules, and you can build simple circuits to complex circuits. We have curriculum with it, so you can train with it and do different labs. That also has curriculum over there too. I created 17 different labs for that one.
Gotcha.
So these you just change them all out, and it's like a sandbox. There is an infinite amount of combinations that you can create.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looks like it's kind of plug and play.
It is.
Build what you need.
It is, and this is just one half. We have all sides of it have modules on it.
What is this generally used for?
This is to teach electrical.
Okay.
So they build electrical circuits, air conditioning, refrigeration, heating, as well as industrial electrical.
Gotcha.
So it covers all the bases, all the way from advanced to simple to advanced.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
People are interested in your products. Where can they find them?
Come over here to iConnect Training. It's our booth. We're right by the front doors.
Okay.
Great.
And then online?
Oh, go to iConnecttraining.com.
Awesome. Well, thanks for letting us hang out. We appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Good to see you.